Yes, children, yes. So now it is our exercise time. We do the exercise in the workbook of lesson 22, Sun, Moon and Stars. So let us see the first exercise in the workbook. Yes, the first exercise is tick the correct answer. There are 5 questions given. Each question has 3 options. Option A, option B and option C. Read the question, see the options, check which option is the correct one. The correct option you have in the square box, you have to give a tick. Yes. So the first question is, the dash is located in the center of the solar system. So what is located in the center of the solar system? Option A, Sun. Option B, Moon. Option C, both A and B. Means both Sun and Moon. So what is the correct option? Which is the correct option here, or which is the correct answer? What is at the center of the solar system? Yes, the Sun is located at the center of the solar system. All the planets revolve around the Sun, including Earth. Yes, so Sun is the center. So option A is the correct answer. So you can give a tick mark here in the square box. Now coming to the second question. The Sun is a huge ball of dash. Yes, Sun is the largest star or biggest star or largest object we say. Yes, largest object in the universe. It is Sun. Yes, it is located at the center of the solar system and it is so hot, isn't it? Yes, it's a huge ball of fire we say, or hot gases we say. Yes, the Sun is a huge ball of option A, rocks, option B, gases, option C, water. Which is the correct option? The Sun is a huge ball of, yes, gases, G-A-S-E-S, gases. Option B is the correct answer. So you can give a tick mark here. Now coming to the third question, dash is the largest planet of the solar system. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. So which is the largest planet among them? Option A, Saturn. Option B, Uranus. Option C, Jupiter. So which is the largest planet in the solar system? Yes, option C, Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. So you can give a tick mark here, the option C. Now fourth question, dash is the brightest planet in the solar system. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Option A, Jupiter. Option B, Uranus. Option C, Venus. Which is the brightest among these planets? Yes, Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system, which is close to the Earth. Isn't it? Close to the Earth. So option C is the correct answer. It is the brightest planet, so you can give a tick mark here. Now the last one, the fifth question. The dash shines in the sky at night. Option A, Sun. Option B, planets. Option C, Moon. At night we can see Moon, isn't it? Yes. We learned that moon looks like a white shining ball. Moon does not have light of its own, but when sun's light falls on it, it reflects. So we can see Moon. It looks like a white shining ball. So the answer is option C, Moon. Yes. So you can give a tick here. So the first one, the Sun is located at the center of the solar system. Option A is the correct answer. Second, the Sun is a huge ball of gases. Option B is the right answer. Third, Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Option C is the right answer. Here, Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Option C is the correct answer. The moon shines in the sky at night. Option C is the correct answer. Okay? Yes, children. So our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 2. Tick the true and cross the false statements. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 statements are given. Read the statement, Check whether they are true or false. If the statement is correct, if it is true, give a tick mark in the square box. If the statement is false or wrong, you can tick cross mark. Okay, the first one. Jupiter is the smallest planet. Is the statement true? Is it correct? Which is the smallest planet, children? Yes, Mercury is the smallest planet, not Jupiter. It is the largest planet. So the given statement is wrong. So give a cross mark in the square box. Cross, because it is wrong statement or false statement. Second, Neptune is the 8th planet of our solar system. Is Neptune the 8th planet? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes, Neptune is the 8th planet. Yes, so the statement is correct. So you can give a tick mark in the square box. Third, Mercury is the smallest planet of the Earth. Yes, Mercury is the smallest planet. The statement is true. So again, a tick mark in the square box. Fourth one, Venus is closest to the Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth. So Venus is close to the Earth. Yes, it is the brightest planet. It is close to the Earth. It is the correct statement. It is true. So you can give a tick mark. Next, Uranus has rings around it. Which planet has rings around it? Saturn. It looks so beautiful because of rings around it, not Uranus. So Uranus has rings around it. The statement is false. So give a cross mark in the square box. Now sixth, there are 9 major planets in the solar system. How many planets are there, children? Yes, there are 8 planets, not 9. So given statement is wrong. So you can give a cross mark. Now 7th, Sun is the main source of energy. Yes, Sun is the main source of energy. The statement is true. So give a tick mark. Now the last one, the moon reflects its own light. Does moon have light of its on its own? Actually, sun's light falls on moon and it reflects. Moon does not have light, isn't it? So moon reflects its own light. It is a strong statement. It is false. So give a cross mark. Yes, so the first one, Jupiter is the smallest planet. It is a false statement. So cross. Neptune is the 8th planet of the solar system. It is a true statement. So you can give a tick mark. Mercury is the smallest planet of the Earth. Yes, the statement is true. Again, you can give a tick mark. Venus is closest to the Earth. Yes, it is a true statement. So you can give a tick mark. Uranus has rings around it. It is a false statement. So cross mark. There are 9 major planets in the solar system. It is a wrong statement. It is false. So cross mark. Sun is the main source of energy. It is a true statement. So tick mark. The moon reflects its own light. It is a false statement. So cross mark. Children, our next exercise in the workbook, it is exercise 3, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So here in the box, few words are given. Using these words, you have to fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fill in the blanks are there. 7 words are given in the box. Let's see which are these words. Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. Mercury, Mercury, Mercury. Sun, Sun, Sun. Galaxy, Galaxy. Stars, Stars. Moon, Moon, Moon. Plants, plants. So these are the words given in the box. Now let us see the first question. First one, the dash need sunlight to prepare their food. Yes, they need sunlight to prepare their food. What is that? Yes, which among the word is that this words is the answer? The dash needs sunlight to prepare the food. Yes, plants need sunlight to prepare their food. Plants, Plants. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food. Second, the dash does not have its own light. Yes. Moon. Good. Very good. Moon does not have light of its own. So, moon is the answer. M-O-O-N. Moon. Third one. There are millions of dash in the universe. There are millions of... Yes, they are countless. There are millions of... Yes, there are millions of stars in the universe. S-T-A-R. Yes, stars in the universe. Now the fourth question. A large group of stars is known as dash. A large group of stars is known as... Yes, galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y, galaxy. A large group of stars is known as galaxy. Fifth question. All the planets of our solar system revolve around the... Yes, all planets including our earth revolve around the sun. Yes, sun, the sun. S-U-N, sun. Then sixth one, the dash is the smallest planet of our solar system. Among the 8 planets, which is the smallest planet? Yes, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury is the smallest planet. Seventh, the last question is, dash is known as a giant planet, the biggest or the largest planet. Yes, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter is the giant, known as the giant or the great or the largest or the biggest planet. So the first one, the plants need sunlight to prepare the food. The moon does not have its own light. There are millions of stars in the universe. A large group of stars is known as galaxy. Fifth one, all the planets of our solar system revolve around the sun. Sixth one, Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. The seventh one, the last fill in the blanks, Jupiter is known as a giant planet. Okay, children? Yes, children. So our next section is answer the following questions. Exercise 4, answer the following questions. So the first question here is, yes, which is the first question here? Can you read? Yes. What revolves around the sun? What revolves around the sun? All the planets, including our planet Earth, revolves around the sun. Answer, all the planets of our solar system revolve around the sun. Yes. Second, what are the phases of the moon? How do they occur? Phases of the moon means, yes, moon appears to change its shape every day. So changing the shape of the moon, it is actually called phases. P-H-A-S-E-S, phases of the moon. How do they occur? Means moon does not have light of its own. When sun's light falls on it, it reflects. So moon rotates around the earth. That time when sun's light falls on it, we can see only the lighter part. So we are able to see that part only. So that is actually phase of the moon. That is, moon appear to be in different shape every day. Yes, the changing shape of the moon is known as the phases of the moon. This occurs because moon moves around the earth and we see only the parts where the light of the sun falls. Yes. Now third question, how does the moon look? How does the moon look? It looks like a white shining ball because sun's light is falling on it. Moon looks like a white shining ball. Moon is smaller than the sun. Actually, moon size is smaller than the sun, but still it appears to be almost same in size as the sun because moon is close to the earth. That's why it looks like that. Yes. Fourth one, what does a solar system consist of? Solar system means sun, the 8 planets, their moons, comets, asteroids, meteors, all consist of solar system. So the solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and the moons, comets, asteroids and meteors. Asteroids spelling, comets spelling, COMETS, asteroids, ASTEROIDS and meteors, METEORS. So what revolves around the sun? All the planets of our solar system revolve around the sun. Second, what are the phases of the moon? The changing shape of the moon is known as the phases of the moon. How do they occur? This occurs because moon moves around the earth and we see only the parts where the light of the sun falls. Third, how does the moon look? Moon looks like a white shining ball. Moon is smaller than the sun, but still it appears to be almost same in size as the sun. Fourth question, what does a solar system consist of? The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, their moons, comets, asteroids and meteors. Children, so the next question is 5th question. Name the planets of our universe. So, how many planets we have? We have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Yes, so the planets, name the planets of our universe. Answer Mercury, MERCURY, comma Venus, VENUS, comma Earth, EARTH, comma Mars, MARS, comma Jupiter, JUPITER, comma Saturn, SATURN, Uranus, URANUS and Neptune, NEPTUNE. Yes. 6th question, what are stars? Explain in brief. So what are stars? The twinkling thing in the sky, twinkling objects or shining objects in the sky. They are stars and they are countless. There are millions of stars in the universe. They appear to be small, but actually some stars are very big. Sun is the biggest star and some stars are very big. They appear to be small because they are so far away from us. Yes. Answer, tiny objects shining in the sky, SHINING, shining in the sky at night are known as stars. There are millions, MILLIONS, millions of stars in the universe, UNIVERSE, universe. Stars are huge heavenly bodies. They are sizes big heavenly bodies, but they appear to be very small because they are very far away from us. Now coming to the 7th question, what are constellations? Name 3 constellations. So what are constellations? Yes, so at night among the stars we can see some different patterns or different interesting figures, isn't it? Stars form some interesting figures or patterns. They are constellations. Some patterns are formed with the stars in the sky at night are known as constellation. Along with the stars we can see this. There are many constellations like Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Scorpius, Leo, etc. So name the planets of our universe: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What are stars? The tiny objects shining in the sky at night are known as stars. Explain in brief. There are millions of stars in the universe. Stars are huge heavenly bodies, but they appear to be very small because they are very far away from us. 7th, what are constellations? Name 3 constellations. Some patterns are formed with the stars in the sky at night are known as constellations. There are many constellations like Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Scorpius, 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 Leo, etc. Children, so our next question is 8th question, 8th one, which is the 8th question. What is solar energy? What is solar energy? The energy from the sun, isn't it? Yes, energy that gives out by the sun. It is solar energy. We use solar energy for cooking food, running vehicles, lighting lamps, etc. Yes, answer is the energy that the sun gives out is known as solar energy. This energy is used for cooking food, lighting lamps and running vehicles. Ninth question. Which is the ninth question? Yes. Which is the most beautiful planet and why? Yes, which is the most beautiful planet? We learned about smallest planet, largest planet. Then we learned about red planet. Yes, then beautiful planet. Yes. The most beautiful planet is Saturn. Why? Because it has rings around it that makes it so beautiful. Yes, Saturn is the sixth and the most beautiful planet. Sixth planet of our solar system is Saturn, and it is the most beautiful planet as it has beautiful rings. R-I-N-G-S, rings. 10th question. What is the main source of energy on Earth? Yes, sun is the main source of energy on Earth. Answer is sun is the main source of energy on Earth. 11th, how does the moon light up? Does moon have light of its own? No. When sun's light falls on it, it reflects. Yes, the moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. It reflects. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-S. It reflects the light of the sun. 12th question, which is the last question. What is a galaxy? What is a galaxy? Group of stars. The large group of stars. The large group of stars is known as galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y. So, what is solar energy? The energy that the sun gives out is known as solar energy. This energy is used for cooking food, lighting lamps and running vehicles. 9th question, which is the most beautiful planet and why? Saturn is the sixth and the most beautiful planet as it has beautiful rings. 10th question, what is the main source of energy on Earth? Sun is the main source of energy on Earth. How does the moon light up? The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. What is a galaxy? The large group of stars is known as galaxy. Okay, children? Yes, children. So next is hot section. You have to think about this question and answer. Okay? Which star is known as North Star and why? So we learned about the brightest star, isn't it? Yes, it is called North Star or Pole Star, isn't it? Yes. So why it is known as North Star? The brightest star that we see in the sky is known as the North Star or Pole Star, as it sits in the direction that the spin axis from the northern hemisphere of Earth points. So if we see from the northern hemisphere, this star, it appears to be stationary, still. Okay, so it sits in the direction. So that's why it is known as the North Star. So from the northern hemisphere, if we see, it sits in the direction that spin axis from the northern hemisphere of Earth points. So that's why that North Star is known as North Star or the brightest star. So the northern hemisphere means what? Northern hemisphere of the Earth points. In a map, the upper part, the top points is north and the bottom part is south. So India, in a world map, if we see, India lies in the northern hemisphere, we say. The world map, if we see, India is in the northern hemisphere. So from the northern hemisphere, the star, if we look, it appears to be still. So that is why it is said that it sits in the direction that spin axis from the northern hemisphere of the Earth. Earth spin on its own axis, isn't it? Yes. So Earth rotates. So that time, if we see the star from the northern hemisphere, it appears to be still, or it sits in that direction, we feel. So that's why it is called a North Star. So the brightest star that we see in the sky is known as the North Star, as it sits in the direction that the spin axis from the northern hemisphere of Earth points. Okay. Yes children, next is value based questions. So as I always say, every lesson has a value of its own. So when you learn a lesson, you are learning a value also, which you can apply in your life, isn't it? Yes, that value you should never forget. Values we are learning for what? Because we can apply when the situation comes. When the situation comes, we should understand the value of that and we can use that value in our life. Yes. So here the question is, everything is beautiful in their own way. Some planets also look beautiful due to the moons around them. Can you name such planet? So everything here, it is beautiful in its own way. Each thing has its own beauty. So some planets look so beautiful. We learned about a beautiful planet, that is Saturn, because of rings around it. So due to the moons around them, some planets are more beautiful. Can you name such planet? So moon rotate around Earth, isn't it? Yes, so moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. So Earth is the most beautiful planet due to the moons around them. Means moons, Earth is the moon is rotating around the Earth. It is the natural satellite of Earth. So we can say Earth is the most beautiful planet in the solar system, followed by Saturn. Then comes Saturn, Earth, then Saturn. Saturn is also beautiful because of rings around it. So some planets look beautiful because due to the moons around them. So Earth is a beautiful planet, and afterwards it comes after that it comes Saturn. Yes. So everything has its own beauty, we can say. We should not tell that it has no beauty, because everything has beauty of its own. Next is home assignment or project. So let's see what is a project in your workbook. Page number 73. Take a black chart sheet. Black chart you get in the stationery shop, you get black chart. You have to buy that. You have to take that sheet first. Cut the shape of moon and stars with aluminium foil. Aluminium foil, you know, the aluminium foil where we wrap the things, the eatable things, chapati or curries, we'll get in aluminium packets, in aluminium foil. So take an aluminium foil sheet and you have to cut the shape of moon and stars in that and paste them on this black sheet, black chart. Your glittering night sky is ready. So you are preparing a night sky actually. So glittering means sparkling, shining sky. You get a glittering, a sparkling, a bright night sky you get if you cut the shape of moon and stars with, using aluminium foil, and you paste it on a black chart. Then you get a night sky that is shining. So try to do that to this project. Now we completed the exercise, children. Exercise of lesson 22, sun, moon and stars. So after reading the lesson 2-3 times, go to the exercise part and learn all the exercises and learn the spellings properly, learn question answer, fill in the blanks, everything, because you have exams, assignments, exam for these lessons. So be prepared well for this exam. So read the lesson and learn the exercises. Okay.